Sometimes I wonder how many hair follicles we actually have on our scalps.
Mm-hmm.
It's like it's like a forest up there.
Haha, a forest? I never thought of it that way. So why does hair density matter so much?
Well, it's crucial for scalp health. Hair density
Right.
tells us how many follicles are in a square centimeter, giving insights into hair health.
So higher density means healthier hair, right?
Exactly. High density usually indicates robust hair growth, while low
Yeah.
density can signal thinning or even hair loss.
Interesting. How do they actually measure hair density?
First, they detect the follicles using high resolution images or scalp scans.
Right.
AI models like Yolov7 use convolutional neural networks to identify each follicle.
Wait, Yolov7? What's that again?
Oh, it's an AI model specialized in object detection. In this
Ah,
case, it's trained to pinpoint every hair follicle on the scalp.
got it. So after detecting follicles, they define the area they're measuring?
Exactly, usually in square centimeters. Then they
Mm-hmm.
count the number of follicles within that area.
Counting follicles manually sounds tedious.
It is, but that's where AI comes in. It speeds up the process and reduces human error. But I believe
Yeah,
human oversight is still important to ensure accuracy.
I see your point, but can't AI models misinterpret data, especially with different hair types?
That's a valid concern. AI models adjust for variations in hair type and texture,
Right.
but they aren't perfect. Combining AI with expert analysis is key.
So what's the actual formula for calculating hair density?
It's pretty straightforward. Hair density equals the number of follicles divided by the area.
Got
So
it.
if there are 50 follicles in 2 centimeters, that's 25 follicles per cm2.
And this helps assess scalp health?
Exactly. High density suggests healthy growth, while low density can indicate issues like alopecia. Early
Mm-hmm.
detection is crucial.
It also helps track progress over time, doesn't it?
Yes, by monitoring density changes, we can see how effective treatments are. It's like
Yeah.
having concrete data to support results.
But relying solely on AI might be risky, don't you think?
True, while AI enhances accuracy, expert interpretation is essential. The
Exactly.
best approach combines technology with professional expertise.
Makes sense. So understanding hair density is pretty vital then.
Absolutely. It's a cornerstone for scalp and hair health assessments. It leads to
Mm-hmm.
personalized treatments and better hair care.
This has been really enlightening. I never knew there was so much science behind it.
Yeah, it's fascinating stuff. Hair health
Totally.
is more than just using the right shampoo.
Maybe I should get my hair density checked.
Haha, me too. It's always good to stay ahead of any potential issues.